10, 11, 12. Home. Work. School. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Where are the children? They are at school. Where is the woman? She is at work. Where is the man? He is at home. What time are you at school? At 9 o'clock. What time is he at home? At 5 o'clock. What time are they at work? At 8 o'clock. Where are the children at 1 o'clock? At 1 o'clock the children are at school. Where is Stephen at 4 o'clock? At 4 o'clock Stephen is at home. Where is Kate at 11 o'clock? At 11 o'clock Kate is at work. Where is Ben at 12 o'clock? At 12 o'clock Ben is at school. Where is Rob at 4 o'clock? At 4 o'clock Rob is at home. Where is Joanna at 3 o'clock? At 3 o'clock Joanna is at work. Where are the family at 6 o'clock? At 6 o'clock the family are at home.